Meet the Ironbull DDG, your heavy-duty workhorse built for the toughest hauls. With a rugged 10-inch I-beam frame, 3-inch crossmembers, and a smooth 10-gauge steel floor, the DDG is built strong where it matters. The all-new engineered neck adds even more stability and confidence when you're hauling heavy. 18-inch fold-down sides give you the freedom to move bulk material, load pallets, or handle oversized equipment with ease. A full 96-inch deck width means maximum loading space on every job. Powered by a 520 scissor hoist, the DDG dumps fast and controlled. The 3-way gate, spreader, barn door, or tailgate keeps you ready for whatever the day demands. Cambered brake axles deliver dependable towing, and for bigger loads, the optional triple axle package takes it even further. Durable radial tires and a standard retractable tarp system keep everything secure and ready to roll. Versatile, durable, ready to work, and all backed by the industry-leading ironclad warranty. Ironbull, where durability meets affordability.